Well, Mario, we're on an airplane, and this is so exciting.
I know, right, Woody?
Yep. Alright, Mario, let's just take off.
Alright, aye, Captain.
Oh my god, Mario, this is amazing!
I know, right, Woody?
Yep. Hey, Mario, did you bring the snacks?
Oh, crap.
Darn it, Mario, I told you to bring the snacks.
No, excuse me. Mr. Cowboy, I forgot to bring them, okay?
Alright, I forgive you, Mario. Just... Next time, just bring the sandwiches, okay?
Alright.
Mario,
Yes, Woody?
put the engine on start.
Yes, Woody, I'll be glad to do that. Alright, that's nothing. Oh, crap. There we go.
Alright, Mario, let's get out of here.
Yep. Oh, Woody, you don't realize something.
What, Mario? What do I don't realize?
You don't realize that this is just a model airplane.
Mario, shh! Don't tell the audience that we're in a model airplane. That makes no sense.
Sorry, Woody.
That's alright, Mario. I forgive you. Alright, let's take off.